think I heard one. Sometimes you hear them out here, you know? GoPro's on. We are on a roll. Oh, me, that was like, ask me. Alright, somehow on my bike, man. Oh, I rode this bad boy in a while. It'll be dark out before I get there.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Baby!
That's how you travel.
Woo! Woo! Doing a quick ride to the rifle range so I can go shoot my bow. Oh, I forgot gloves. I'm gonna freeze. Riding my Rad E-Bike. You know, for the days where you're not riding your motorcycle. I probably should have rode today, but I decided that I was needing some exercise because I had like 3 cupcakes the other day for my son's birthday. And so I need to lose some weight. A little exercise. I think the range is about 5 miles away. I think. And this thing does about, I got it on full pass. So it's gonna do about 19 miles an hour. So I gotta book. I gotta hurry. The old man decided to put my trailer away in the freaking shed. I'm like, what the heck? I had plans today to use that damn thing. I think I'm gonna jump on the rail trail. I feel like dealing with traffic. Woo! Take it for a ride in my hood. Oh, it's so nice out. God, I can't believe I'm not on a motorcycle. It is kind of chilly though. I should have rode my motorcycle, but like I said, I need to get some freaking exercise. Whoa. I don't know if you're in an area where they have rail trails, but these are nice. I normally don't like coming on these things without a buddy system, but today I'm going to break the rules. Because I'm trying to get to where I'm going quick. Hi, doggy. So, just got off of work, did some adulting. Kid got fed, doing his homework, didn't want to come with me like usual. So I said, you know, I need some fresh air. So I'm on my bike. My e-bike, I've only rode like maybe 3 times this year. So I figured I better ride it while I can. I wish these things had sleds on them for the winter time. How badass would that be to ride the rail trail with sleds on an e-bike? Come on, e-bike people. Put some sleds on them. Oh, shit. Oh, f*** me. Almost bit it. Damn. I lose my bow. go for a ride on my bicycle. You know, let off some stress. Get some fitness. Not like you're doing a whole lot of fitness on this thing, but you still are pedaling. Still burn. I had my Fitbit on one time, and you actually burn some calories. Not much, but you burn them. Still moving. Just like on a motorcycle. I don't know if you notice it. You put your Fitbit on, your heart rate goes up. So you're burning calories when you're riding your motorcycle. You know, and I don't know if you guys notice, but at the end of the day, when you're riding your motorcycle, you're exhausted. You're actually really physically engaging your body when you ride, believe it or not. All your core muscles are engaged, you're balancing. I have a tendency to squeeze my tank with my thighs. And so by the end of the day, my thighs really hurt because I've squeezed the tank all day. It's a dirt bike thing. I just feel like more secure, like part of the bike. It's weird, but I definitely have that as a habit. I don't know, I feel like it just gives me a little bit more balance. So, oh, I'm going up a hill. What the hell is behind me? For the fat girl on a bicycle, that good. Big girls, keep on rolling. Oh. All right, up the hill. Yeah. I got no socks on either. I'm gonna freeze my bonsai on the way home. This Rad bike last year, and they're reasonable, low end e-bike, and I don't know much about e-bikes, but compared to all the other ones on the market, this one was the most reasonably priced. And so I was really excited because I can't always take my motorcycle with me wherever I go. So I got this e-bike because it's like between, you know, a bicycle and a moped, which is cool. Still gives me a sense of riding, two wheels. And then another thing is I have a super bad back, and so riding a normal bicycle is really tough and very, very painful for me. And it pisses me off when like people are like, "You're cheating." I'm like, what am I cheating? Is it a fucking test? It's not a test. I happen to have super bad back, and this thing gets me back on a bicycle. So, you know, think what you want. Am I lazy? Absolutely. So, if that's considered cheating, then so be it. It's already getting cold out. We're here. All right, let's take her off-road. Oh, I missed it. All right, maybe right here. Yikes. All right, right here, maybe. Oh. It's not the best off-road vehicle, dude. Oh, shit. Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh, made it. Let's go look for an arrow because I shot one and it went way the hell out there. So it went right over. So let's go for a walk in the woods, shall we? If it came straight over. Oh, there it is. I found it. Oh, I found it. I wonder if there's any turkeys out here. Should we try to call them in? Let's do it. All right, we're gonna call in the turkeys, okay? Here we go. None. They don't like me. I probably told it to go suck it. That turkey wasn't having my mating call. That's too bad. Probably smart. I'll put him on my dinner table while you're bullshitting. I never can find my... I thought I just heard a turkey. What? I thought I heard one. The guys in the house up there in the lodge, they're probably like, what is that girl doing? Crazy biatch. I think I heard one. Sometimes you hear them out here, you know? One-handed pulling these suckers out. Oh, I'm gonna need 2 hands for that. Ready? 1, 2. Oh. All right, we gotta head home because the sun's going down. I don't want to be trapped in the dark, and I gotta stop at the post office. So I just did a couple quick shoots, and then I'm just gonna head home. Easy peasy.